Hi, today we will design a stamp for polymer clay with your own image. We will use the M letter shape. It is saved in SVG file. So let's start. First thing we will do, we go here to scene properties, we go with units, and we change it the scale to 0.001 and length millimeters. Then we need to open our file with the image. So we go with File, Import, and choose this one, SVG into grease pencil. We choose our file. Here's our image. First thing, right-click on the mouse, convert to mesh. When it's done, you have to click Ctrl and A and click rotation and scale here. Then click N on the keyboard to see the panel here, and let's rotate it so it should lay flat. So just click R on the keyboard, then X, and rotate it. Just click anywhere here, and here is the X minus 90 degrees. Perfect. It's now laying flat. Then we press S for scale, and we can change the dimension of our graphics. So let's make it bigger. Let's make it more or less 60 millimeters here. So here's the dimension, the X about 16 millimeters. For now it's okay, we can change it later on as well. Thanks for watching so far. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so now again, Ctrl and A and rotation and scale to click it. Then we go to edit mode here. We click A. Then we click F. You can change the view a little bit here, and we press E on the keyboard and we extract it up. Okay, let's say 2.4 millimeters. Yep, it looks okay. Then we go back to object mode. We click Shift and A and we get mesh and cylinder. And after clicking, just click here and let's change it to 128 vertices. Radius, let's say 12 millimeter. Depth, let's go with 24 millimeters. Yes, this is our cylinder. All right, we have to move it. So press G on the keyboard. Let's move it maybe here. Perfect. Now we will take this letter here. We press G as well. We put it here. In change, you can see, yeah, with the G. Always use G letter to give a right position to the letter, and you can always change the views here. Okay, so let's stick with Z so we can move it. We can move the letter here on the middle. Yes, it's in the middle. Let's then take X here, and here you can turn on the X-ray wireframe. So press this one, and you can see when you press G, then you can press Z, and you go up and down here. So maybe a little bit, yeah, okay, so it's more or less like here. Okay, looks good. Then we click it. We again click this one, viewport solid, so we can see our shape. And it will be better for holding that we change the cylinder for better shape, more more user-friendly. So we can click it. We go here again to edit mode. And while you are in edit mode and you have the cylinder, so on the keyboard, the combination Ctrl plus R. We click it. Then you have this circle here. You just click it. You can make the position that you wish, more or less in the middle. We click it and you don't do anything. You just press O. Then you press S for scale, and with your mouse you can make the shape, and we will make it more or less maybe something like this. It's better for holding the stamp. It looks like this. Perfect. We go again to the object mode. You can just click those two objects here, right click on the mouse, join them together, and the last thing you'll do is just to export the file to STL, and you can print it. Feel free to comment on this video if you have any questions. I will be more than happy to answer them and try to find some solutions for you. Hope you like it. If so, please subscribe for more, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.